human soul, the closeness of the cold from Mars, a backup quasi-holiday, a hypothetical but necessary colonization of Mars. In the future, the celebration date will be replaced by the actual date of the landing on Mars, the interaction of the two planetary systems, a universal holiday for the Earth and Mars, for the whole Earth planet, celebrated once every 4 years.
Не бойся, уже исчез ein Anfall von Raserei, мозги заменил протез, und das ist mir einerlei. Beginnst du schnell noch einmal, скули, повторяй и лай, Египет, Тибет, Непал, und das ist mir einerlei. Дорога из тупика, auf ewig, von Verdacht frei, не думай о них пока, und das ist mir einerlei. Gefühl für das rechte Maß, без ужаса потеряй, опять же, в который раз, und das ist mir einerlei, und das ist mir einerlei.
My fabric works try to show a respect to science fiction. Cover of a telescope. There are bodies of the border and the solar systems. Shooter for a window. There are lot parodies of Reinhold Messner shown on German TV. I do not mean it in the concept of situation. These parodies may be caused by his political activity. In my concept, Messner surely is a legendary character of mountain climbing, what I declare translating his name in Mars hyper-environment. Put it lightly, it's a long-standing tradition of famous German-speaking travelers and mountain climbers to be related to politics. Let's do without particularities of the 30s and 40s in past century. Funeral coverlet. The first artificial environment on Mars is and will be a cemetery of automatic vehicles. Woo! To sound or not to sound. A fragment of traveler curtain. It is an Earth sound. There is no similar sound on Mars. There may be only sound cancelling on Mars. It is not silence anymore, but not a sound yet. The sound of harpsichord is the most Martian sound for me. Faint, dry, short. Faint, dry, short. If there is a sound on Mars, it will behave precisely these properties of what is not silence. Instead of the useless searching for life on Mars, which cannot be found there, it stands out a mile. The modern astronautics ought to focus only on aesthetic tasks. For example, sound extraction under weak and specific atmospheric condition. The case of sound extraction in subsonic environment would have been very interesting for Glenn Gould.